waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting until you feel ready. That day is never coming. Let me be honest with you. I'm going to tell you something that might hurt your feelings, but you really need to hear it. The only thing standing between you and extra money right now is you, yourself, nothing else. So today I'm giving you 5 things you can start doing from the comfort of your home and start making money online. Not next week, today. No extra experience needed, no special skills required. Just you, your phone, and a little bit of action. So stick with me until the end of this video because number 5 is what you can do even when you don't have any skill at all. So please watch this video to the end. Let's go. Hi, this is Peculiar Daily Income, your money lady. On this channel, we tell you how to start making money. We show you practical steps to start building extra source of income without any confusion and watch your money grow so fast. So if this is really what you want to do, please click that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon. Let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do as someone that really wants to make money online is to offer a simple skill. Note, I say simple skill on Fiverr. Don't say you don't have any skill. No. If you don't have any skill at all, AI is there to help you. YouTube is there to help you. You just need to offer something that solves a problem for someone. And note, nothing is too small. What can you offer on Fiverr as a beginner? You can create Canva design. Go to Canva, there are already made templates there. Create simple social media posts, flyers, YouTube thumbnails. See, let me tell you the truth. You see, the thumbnail of this video that attracted you to click, it was generated by an AI, ChatGPT for that matter. Just with simple prompts. Just give ChatGPT your video idea or paste that video script on ChatGPT. Give it the prompt to create an attractive thumbnail for you, and that is it. ChatGPT will do justice to that. Or if you have a thumbnail you saved on your phone, upload it on ChatGPT and tell it to replicate similar thumbnail using this title for you. And that is it. Your thumbnail is generated. The next service you can render on Fiverr as a beginner is AI content writing. Use ChatGPT or any other AI tool to write blog posts, captions, emails for clients. You are not writing from the scratch. You're using AI to help your work faster. You can render voiceover services. If you have an Android phone, you're good to go because every Android phone have a microphone. Just use it to record the scripts of that YouTube, and that is it. Your voiceover is ready. You can render social media captions. Many small businesses today struggle to write engaging captions for their posts. So if you can combine one or two words together, you're there. You can start as soon as possible. How do you start? Go to Fiverr, sign up for a free account. Registration is totally free. Choose one service you can offer. Don't complicate things for yourself. Just pick one and do it very well. Create a clear gig title. For instance, I will create an eye-catching thumbnail for you in less than 12 hours. Use a clean profile photo. It doesn't have to be professional, but it has to be clear and friendly. Describe the exact problem you can solve. Don't say I make designs. No. Say I help YouTubers get more clicks with custom thumbnails. As easy as that. Set a low budget price such as $5 to $10 per gig as a beginner. With time, you can increase your price, deliver quality work, and on time. Once you have reviews, you can raise your prices. If you are serious and consistent with this, you are sure of making $50 to $500 per month on Fiverr. Once you have reasonable reviews, you do what you start getting more clients and you start increasing your prices. Now, the second method or the second way of making money online is by using AI tools to create digital products. This is the closest thing to start making passive income that actually works for everyone, even beginners. You create something once and it sells over and over again. No shipping, no inventory, just pure profits. What can you create? Ebook. That is the first one. Yes, write a short guide on a topic you know something about. It doesn't have to be long, it can be 10 to 20 pages. That is enough. Use ChatGPT to help you outline and write clearly. You can also create templates. Use Canva to create templates for social media posts, resume, business cards. People would buy those templates because they don't want to start from scratch. You can create checklists. Create a simple checklist for something like how to start YouTube channel, how to save money on groceries. You can also render AI prompts. People are paying for collections of ChatGPT prompts that help them with specific tasks. For example, 100 prompts for content creators or 50 prompts for business owners. People will buy it. You can create study guides. If you are a student or someone that knows anything about a particular subject, you can create a study guide for that subject and it will sell. How do you get started? Pick one product. Don't try to create everything at once. You won't scale up on time as a beginner. Use Canva to design your product. You know it's free and easy to use. It has thousands of already made templates. Use ChatGPT to help you write content or brainstorm ideas. Package it as a PDF or template link. Sell it on platforms such as Gumroad, Payhip, or directly on social media. Promote it on your WhatsApp status, Instagram, or Facebook groups. People will surely buy. This is what people are already doing. If you're serious about this, remember digital product is typically something that sells over and over again. And you're sure of making $10 to $50 on each. And the sales keeps coming over and over again. You don't have anything to lose. Now, the third thing you need to start doing today to start making online is start content creation. Start posting short videos. I'm not saying you have to become a full-time content creator. No. I'm saying that short form content is the fastest way to build attention online. And attention can turn into sales, clients, and brand deals. So these short videos can be about anything you're good at. You don't need to have expensive equipment. Your phone camera is okay to start with. And you can start posting on platforms such as TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Start posting consistently and you start getting followers. Build trust. People buy from people they trust. When you show up consistently and on a daily basis, people will start to know you, like, and trust you. So when you present any product for them to buy, they will patronize you. It can be a motivational video clip, can share quotes, success stories, or daily motivation. It can be AI tips where you show people how to use AI tools to make life easier for them. It can be money tips. Share practical tips about saving, budgeting, or making money. It can be educational content. Teach something you know, even if it is small. Someone out there needs to learn it. It can be behind the scene. Show your process. People love seeing how things are being made. Now, how do you get started? It is very easy. Pick, pick one platform. It can be TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and you start. Commit to posting one video per day for 30 days. Be consistent for a month. Keep videos 15 to 60 seconds short. Use trending sounds, hashtags to increase reach. Engage with comments and build a community. When someone comments on your video, make sure you reply them politely. If you're consistent on this, you're sure of making reasonable money from hundreds to $1,000 every month. But once you have an audience, you can get monetized, get brand deals, affiliate marketing will start selling for you. You sell your own products. Some creators make from hundred to $1,000 on monthly basis. So you make money as a content creator, you make money from selling your own products, you make money from affiliate marketing. Now, the number four way of making money online is by promoting affiliate link. Yes, affiliate marketing is one of the most underrated way to make money online. And it's perfect for beginners because you don't need to create any product yourself. You just recommend the product and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. Most of these affiliate platforms have their products neatly on there, and they have videos too that you can promote. You can join affiliate programs such as Jumia KOL, Amazon Associates, and ClickBank, and so many others. Get your unique referral link. Share the link on social media such as WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. When someone clicks on your link and make a purchase, you earn commission starting from $5 to $50 on each sales. And remember, each of them can also recommend that link or share that link to their friends who loves that product they got. Products you can actually market. If you have a phone, it can be a phone, a laptop, or a favorite skincare product. Just share it. It can be digital products such as ebook, courses, software, and templates. It can also be apps. Many apps today have referral programs where you earn cash from each sign up. It can be services such as web hosting, email marketing tools, or online courses. How do you get started? How to start making money, cashing out right away? Sign up for free on Jumia KOL affiliate program. It is great for Nigerians because they pay you directly to your Nigerian bank account. Get your unique referral link, share it on all social media platforms such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Add a genuine recommendation such as I've been using this for months and it has helped me solve this problem. Watch your commission grow even while you are sleeping. If you're consistent with affiliate marketing, you're sure of making 50 to $1,000 every month, depending on what you're promoting and how consistent you are. Now, remember, we are now going to the last one, which is the fifth one. That is signing up as a remote micro job worker. Yes, worker. There are small, small tasks that companies pay you to complete. No experience needed, you just need a phone or a laptop. What kind of tasks can you be assigned to work on? They are very easy. It can be data entry, copying and pasting information from one place to another. It can be AI training where you label images, you transcribe audio, or evaluate search results for them. It can be transcription where you listen to short video clips and type what you hear. It can be testing new apps. You download those apps, test them, and give them your own feedback. It can be online research. You search for specific information, organize it in a spreadsheet, and submit, and you get paid. Now, how do you get started? How do you get start earning money as soon as possible? Go and sign up on platforms such as Upwork, Remotasks, or Appen. Sign up, it is totally free. Complete your profile. Apply for a beginner-friendly task or projects you know you can handle. Complete the task carefully and on time. Build your reputation to unlock higher paying tasks because the more you work, the more you earn. If you're consistent with this, you're sure of making $5 to $15 per hour. Your payment is being calculated hourly. Beginners might make $50 to $200 per month. Yes, it's not that much, but it's more than a passive income. And over time, you start making thousands of dollars from this. For watching this video to this point, I have three extra realistic money making ideas for you as a bonus. Now, one of these bonus I'm talking about is selling on Naya Gigs. Naya Gigs is a government backed platform for Nigerian youth. It connects you to remote jobs from clients all over the world. So sign up at gigs.naya.government.ng, complete your profile, start applying for gigs. It is free and it pays you directly to your Nigerian bank account. Now, the second bonus money making idea is becoming a virtual assistant. Yes, virtual assistants help busy entrepreneurs. That is, you help busy entrepreneurs manage their invoices, schedule appointments, handle administrative tasks. It's one of the fastest growing remote jobs. If you're organized and can use email, you can start as a virtual assistant and sign up on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, and there are dozens of jobs there for you. The third one is becoming a social media manager. Many business owners are desperately looking for someone to post for them on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. So if you are already on social media, you can offer to manage accounts for them. Start with one client, charge $50 to $100 per month, and start growing from there. Now, this is my final advice. Listen carefully. Here is what I want you to do right now. Don't try all of these because they are now eight in number. Pick just one. Be committed. Be committed on it for 30 days. If you want to start any today, go with micro jobs or affiliate marketing. If you want to build skill and earn more money over time, choose Fiverr or Upwork. If you want long-term passive income, start creating digital products and short videos. That is becoming a content creator. The biggest mistake most people make is waiting until they feel ready. You will never feel ready, let me tell you the truth. No, there must be excuse. So you need to take action immediately. Remember, small progress is still progress. A $5 gig today can become a $50 gig at the next month. So a 60-second video today can bring you clients tomorrow. Don't look down on any of these opportunities. Start today and watch your money grow. Now, I have a homework for you. It is very simple. Don't panic. I want you to pick one thing from the list and start it today. Come back, comment what you choose and how far you've progressed. I want to celebrate with you. Like this video if it helped you. It helps more people to get to find it. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon. I post new videos every week with real practical advice to help you make real money online. The only way to start is starting. You've got all the roadmaps. I'll see you in my next video.